Linking your bank account to Randolph Brooks is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your bank account number, routing number, and any other necessary identification details handy. This information is crucial for linking your account successfully. Step 2. Log into your Randolph Brooks account. Visit the Randolph Brooks website or open a mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to the Link Account section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SR to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Fill in the required fields with your bank account number and routing number. Double check the information for accuracy to avoid any issues during the linking process. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review everything once more and then click on the Confirm or Save button. You may receive a verification message or email to finalize the linking process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Randolph Brooks. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.